In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a document in Grammarly. If you've ever deleted a draft by accident or changed your mind after clearing something out, don't worry. Grammarly keeps deleted documents in a dedicated area so you can bring them back in just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly and press Enter. This is useful if you don't remember the exact web address. In the search results, click the official Grammarly site to open your account. If you already know the app URL, you can go straight to the Grammarly web app. Once the dashboard loads, make sure you're signed in to the right account so you're looking at the correct workspace. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the trash section. This is where Grammarly stores deleted items for a limited time before they're permanently removed. Click Trash to open it. You'll see a list of the documents you've deleted recently. If you have a lot of items, scroll through or use the search to narrow things down and find the file you want to bring back. When you've found the document, move your cursor over it to reveal the three-dot menu. Click those three dots next to the document you want to recover. From the menu that appears, choose Restore. Grammarly will move the file out of trash and put it back in your main documents area. If the list doesn't update immediately, give it a second. Larger documents can take a moment to reappear. Now head back to your main documents by clicking Docs. This is your central list of active files. Look for the document you just restored. Open it to make sure the content looks correct, and you can continue editing right where you left off. If you don't see the document right away, try refreshing the page, clearing any filters or sorting you might have applied, and double-checking that you're in the right account or workspace. Keep in mind, only items still within Grammarly's retention window show up in trash. If it's not there, it may already be permanently deleted. One quick tip. If you organize your work in folders, a restored document may return to the general list rather than its original folder, so you might want to move it back manually. And, for peace of mind, consider regularly duplicating important drafts or downloading a backup. That's all there is to it. Open Grammarly, go to Trash, use the three-dot menu to restore, and confirm it's back in Docs. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!